right, today we're going to look at this 27-inch monitor by SANSUI. The company sent this over to me to check out, and this thing is massive, and I love it. I loved it so much. I actually took my other 24-inch monitor out completely and replaced it, so that's why I'm not showing it on camera right now, and I'm just showing you the video here of me taking it. So first of all, I love that it has a big screen, 27 inches, but it has a small base that holds it up. Very stable, very sturdy. And then when you swing around here, look how thin this thing is. So this thing is pretty amazing. And it right there, let me go back just a second here. You can see it has the VESA option as well. So if you want to mount this up on some type of mounting thing for your wall or mounting system or some kind of rolling cart, you can do that as well. And the base here detaches from it. So I love it. I love how thin it is. It doesn't take up very much room. And it's even though it's much bigger size-wise than my 24-inch monitor, it takes up less space on my desk as far as the real estate is what I call it underneath the screen. So it has these really small legs, so I can still put stuff under there, which you can see I quickly filled it in with a bunch of random odds and ends. Now, as far as connections, it has several different types of connections here. You have HDMI, you have a display port, Type C, you have headphones, and then there is the power supply. Super easy to turn on, and it just works. I plugged it in HDMI, it just came right on. And then once it's plugged in HDMI, then you can go to the menu and kind of toggle through and customize it, different modes, different gaming modes. Very clear picture, even to be such a big screen. Sometimes on bigger screens, I don't see the clarity that I like to see. I was, once again, so impressed with this. I immediately took out the monitor that I had and replaced it with this SANSUI 27-inch monitor. So I give it 2 thumbs up. I'm a huge fan of it.